Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create questionnaire in Google Docs or how you can create a survey form by using Google Docs or Google Forms. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So let me open Google Drive first. Okay, so if you want to make the fillable form or questionnaire in Google Docs, you can create. Just go to the Google Docs and open. Okay, so for Google form you have to use Google form option. Okay, if you want to create a survey form or any form that you need to fill up and you want to data from there, so you can use the Google form, this one. Okay, so Google form and Google Docs is a different services by Google. So Google Docs is basically used for data and all, but if you want to create registration form in Google Docs, I will show you. And this is form that you can create like questionnaire and survey form, and you can collect the data from there. Okay, so in Google Docs you can create registration form. So I show you simple step, then it will be help you to create proper registration form. So just adjust the margin here, and you have to insert the header. So just double click on top, then header option will become. Okay, okay, double click here, then header option will come. Now just enter the your header. I just have registration form. Okay, just select it, make it in middle. You can change the font size. Okay, you can also decrease the this space. Go to the option, go to the header format, and you can decrease the margin or inches of top. So make it 0.1. Okay, so it is done. You can insert a date also, like okay, you can make it in middle or left, what you want. You can change the font. Okay, after that you have to also insert the horizontal line between. So just go. Okay, you just insert the horizontal line here. Okay, you can also decrease the space between the horizontal line and your header. Just click here and just click this backspace. Now you can create the form, registration form. Okay, there is a two-way. First you can just insert the title of your points. Now you can just underscore, just click the underscores, shifts and underscore. Then if you want to print out, then people can write here like this. Okay, but don't use this. I will show you the another option. Go to the insert, go to the table, and insert the table here. And you can, so you can insert the, you can adjust the margin, sorry, size of this table, so people can write the name here. Okay, so if you are, okay, so now there is another option you can use. Just come here and just insert the two table. Okay, you can insert four table. Now here you can write name, and here you can write date. Okay, so it is like fillable form. You can use and adjust the size as per your requirement. For date, I think. Okay, so there's a two format I just show you. You can use as per requirement. If you want to hide the border, go just right click on this table, right click here, go to the properties, table properties, and go to the color and change here 0 ppt. Then your border will be hide. Or if you want to hide only show the highlights, go here and you can highlight the bottom line, so it will be highlighted so people can know uh, the space where they can still where they can write. Okay, so that is how you can use the Google Docs to create the questionnaire or registration form. But if you want to use the Google Docs form, you can create a form here. Just you have to write the header. Okay, you can add a description like YouTuber survey. Here you have to add questions, your name. Okay, this is a short answer, or you can select here from your answer tab or multiple choose checkbox anything. So by default it will be choose by Google is short answer, because you can make the mandate for this question, or you can add question from here. You can add question many as you want. And now you can preview your form here. And if you want to now go to the response, and here you have to create the spreadsheet where you can get the your form response. So you can change the name here, just create. It will be created in Google Doc. You can find here, just go to the Google Doc, go to the recent, and here you will find this form and response. This is your form, and response file will be this. Okay, so now go to the preview and you can check, and now you can send. Okay, go to come to the form, and now you can send this form via email. You can enter the email here, email ID here. You can send via link, just short the link and you copy the link and you can share, or you can also copy insert this form in your any website. If you are developing any website, you can insert the form. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for